My wife and I see very different things in this picture. I see the vital organs of a healthy home. She sees a hideous eyesore she wants hidden from view. I thought about plopping a big fat bush in the ground and calling it a day, but then I remembered I enjoy living, so I decided to build my babes a privacy screen, which is just a fancy name for a very short fence.
Well, putting a fence around your system might be smart, but only if you do it right. Leave at least 2 to 3 feet of clearance around your unit so your system can breathe. If your fence is too close, it blocks airflow, heats up the system, and your efficiency tanks.